This is a 2022 Hyundai Kona N. Belongs to a family member of mine that needs some help installing some mud flaps. Got some AE Premium Universal Splash Guards purchased on Amazon for $30. Let's go take a look at them. This is the AE Premium Red Universal Splash Guards. Let's slap these bad boys on. Alright guys, we're checking out the A Premium mud flaps that I got from Amazon. This thing came out to $30 plus tax. Here how it comes. It's basically instructions, the mud flaps, left and right. Does not come with any of the tools. Not supplied, so you have to drill your own holes. Got my Sharpie here to mark the spots. Got my drill bits, my drill gun, clip remover, and screwdriver. So let's start off by marking out the holes, which we'll need to drill to fit the flap. Bag big enough to fit the mud flap. Cut out and trace it, so you'll be able to match the bolt holes and screw holes directly to this, and you just use this as a template to drill holes on your mud flaps. So let's go to the car and check it out. All right, here we are at the car. You'll have this here, so you'll know how you want it, and you'll match this against here. Grab your screw, look for the hole right here. You're gonna feel with your fingers a hole, and then just grab a screw. It's right here, and just poke right through it. That'll be your first screw hole. And see a little hole here. Use your finger to feel it. There it is right here. Poke right through. All right, lines perfectly, and you'll look for the fender clip liner hole. Just right down there. Let's see if I find it. All right, found it, perfect. There you go. Here is your template. And then you just line this with your mud flap. Use your Sharpie to mark the spots on your mud flaps to drill. Got it aligned with the mud flap. And then you'll see the holes here. Just grab your Sharpie, mark the holes. Make sure it's aligned. All right. Okay. See here the marks for you to drill. Right, let's start off with hole number 1. Alright, let's go to the car, and right now that you've cut the holes and aligned each screw, plug it in, and then unfortunately with this car, the wheel is too close to the wheel well, so I have to hand tighten it first before, let's see if I can find the hole. Alright, got the hole. Okay. And tighten it first, then I can use this screwdriver to finish the job. One tool that is pretty useful is this wrench with the screwdriver socket, because obviously a screw gun won't work. So you can try this and then just finish the job, and yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. Alright, what do you think? We are finally done. I think it actually looks pretty good, other than the tacky lettering, which I think you can get off with some acetone or paint thinner. I think it'll look pretty good. The thickness of the plastic is actually really durable. It can actually withstand some impacts from rocks or whatever debris you run over. But other than that, I think it's worth the $30. If you want to go check it out, I have the link in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Alright guys, here we are back again 3 weeks later. Let's check up on the condition of these mud flaps. I've been daily commuting this 50-mile round trip daily to the city, driving through huge potholes, running over rocks, debris, and whatnot so far. It's been holding up well. No cracks, no chips, no tears, no nothing. And one thing I failed to mention before is the thickness. It's about 2 to 3 millimeters. And yeah, it's pretty thick and durable. As you can see here, it's held up pretty well.